You just feel that you need to solve the problem and you can't, he said. You constantly feel like a bad person. He found himself sticking to the people around him to stop what he did. Someone chews, touching or breathing over again, and causes his heart to throw faster, activate the fight or flight reaction, enter a spiral of concern. Homer from Awarra in Victoria has misophonia, a disorder that causes people react strong to certain sounds. He finds him, he sends him anger, as he calms down with sounds like someone who writes on a keyboard. A new study found that the disorder is widespread in Britain, and that 18.4% of the population has significant misophone symptoms. Only 2.3% described itself by having a disorder. The most common voices reactions were chewing loudly causing disgust, a baby crying, and snoring barking causing anger. Certificate of cocorators internalize negative emotions, less respect for themselves, and do not like themselves for their reaction to noise. Silia Vitorou, a writer of King's College London, said that prevalence was surprising. Misophonia was first accepted at beginning of century, but in Vitoratou 2021 and 2022, he says that more research has been US-based Misophonia Research Fund to a large extent than previous years. This was initiated in 2017.